Of the Logitech G715 wired mechanical gaming keyboard with LIGHTSYNC RGB lighting, clicky switches, and in parentheses GX Blue, and keyboard palm rest in the color White Mist on Amazon. This keyboard is PC and Mac compatible. I will say, when I was looking at this listing's thumbnail image, I believed I was purchasing a bundle that included the keyboard, palm rest, and wireless mouse, but having read Logitech's Q&A after discovering the mouse was missing from my box, they did actually mention the mouse is not included. Anyway, let's get started with the unboxing. Upon opening the box, we have this nice protective film over our keyboard. There's a bit of weight to this thing. I like it. Underneath our keyboard is a divider separating our USB cable for the keyboard and our pretty little cloud-shaped palm rest. I was so excited about receiving this product that I went ahead with setting it up, but this little white box houses the USB cable for the keyboard. Lastly, inside the box is a Logitech sticker and the warranty pamphlet for the product. Okay, so this is where the magic happens. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm just going to remove the film and then connect the USB cable to my desktop, and voila! But this is the best part. I absolutely love the sound of the keys. Just listen. Also, don't forget the 2 different height adjustments underneath the keyboard to fit your comfortability needs. And be sure to install the G-Hub software onto your computer for maximum customization of the keyboard's RGB lighting effects. And that is it for this review. I give this product listing 4 stars only because I was misled by the thumbnail image. Still, I absolutely adore this keyboard and cannot wait to indulge in my work and pastimes with this gorgeous accessory. I hope you found this quick review to be helpful. I am so in love with this product. If you're excited about it too, give this review a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.